Okay, good day guys. Now it is very possible for you to generate what's it called to use subscribe IP from Piaproxy on your phone without using the software. Alright, I'll be guiding you through the process in this video. Okay, now after creating your Piaproxy accounts, for those that are just starting with us, the next step is recharging your Piaproxy account, and there are two ways to recharge your Piaproxy account. Either you buy the subscription directly from them, which is very expensive, or you buy the keys from vendors, like people that buy it in bulk and sell. All right. Okay, and I happen to be one. In case you are looking for IP, you can contact me. I sell Piaproxy IPs. I'll leave a link to my website or to my WhatsApp so that you can contact me through there to get your IP keys. Alright, so now when you contact the vendor or whoever is selling you the IP, alright, they'll give you a key. Is that key you are going to bring to Piaproxy, and you redeem the key, and then you see the IP appear on your balance. Alright, so let's head straight. So first thing you do is this: after you've created your account and you've logged in, alright, you click on this, see this top right corner, right? You can see your email address there. Alright, so what you're gonna do is this: you click on it. Okay, click on it till it takes you to your personal center. Alright, your user dashboard. Now in our last video when we were talking about the gigabyte plan, we use the residential proxy, where this is where we recharge our IP. Alright, but now that we're using the subscribe IP, this is what we are going to do. Click on this first one here. Alright, subscribe proxy, this first one here, subscribe proxy, that's what you are going to click on it. Then the key that I will give you, or the key that they will give you, they'll give you the key. It's called a CDKey. This is where you are coming to enter it. Click on this box here. Alright, click on this box and you paste the key here. Then you click on confirm. Alright, let's say this is the key. Then you click on confirm. You see, CDKey does not exist. Alright, so if I give you a code, the key, if you put the key here, you will see the IPs. It will show in your balance here. Alright, so the IP will show in your balance. If you buy 10 IP, it will show in your balance. If you buy 50 IP, it will show in your balance. No matter the number of IP you buy, everything will show in your balance. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is this: is you try going to use the IP you bought. Back before, when I made the first video, we were not able to use Piaproxy on phone. You cannot use this particular subscription, this IP based plan. You cannot use it on phone, but now you can use it on your phone with the Piaproxy Group App, which I've uploaded the APK on my WhatsApp Telegram channel. You can click on the link. I'll leave the link in the description to download the APK. Alright, so you want to download the APK, you log in with your Piaproxy account. Let me show you the APK. This is the APK, right? You log in with your Piaproxy account. Log in here. Alright, see, log out. I'm already logged in. I see I have 6 IPs here. Alright, once you log in, you will see the number of IPs you have on your package balance. Alright, so what you're going to do is this: you are going to generate the IP now. Let's say you are going to work. You want to work now, so you are going to connect to IP. So click on this proxy here. Alright, proxy. So now you are going to generate proxy. So you click on this proxy list. Alright, let me show you where. Click on this proxy list so that you will get an IP. Alright, proxy list. Now for instance, let's say I want to work in UK. I like working in UK size. Okay, once you click on this proxy list, alright, you will see a list of IPs. Okay, these are IPs, all these things you are seeing here. So you are going to do targeting now. So how are you going to do targeting? So we are going to do city-based targeting, alright? So that instead of just picking country, we are going to pick city. You can do ISP-based targeting, you can do state-based targeting. But let's go with city-based targeting, then we'll just select the ISP that we're going to use, alright? So for example, let's say we are trying to target London now. So we have selected city, you select city here, alright, then you search London. Now you can see that all the IPs here are now showing London IPs, okay? It's London IPs that are now showing here. So what you are going to do is this, you click on it, you have selected the London IP. So you are not connected now. So to connect now to this IP that you just selected, okay, let me show you something, another interesting thing. Okay, let's finish with this first. Okay, so you click on this, you see it's not connected, right? Then you click on this connect, switch it on, alright? We have switched the IP on, alright? Now we are now connected. So let us see if the connection has worked, alright? Let's go to our whoa.net. whoa.net to see if our IP has been connected. Alright, you can see we are connected to United Kingdom, right? We are now in the United Kingdom, and the ISP, the internet service provider, is Piaproxy, right? And you can see in the what's it called, in the app, this is the ISP. So now if you are looking, let's say you want to target London and you want to use a specific ISP, maybe you want to use Vodafone or anything, alright? What you do is this, after targeting city, where is it? London. Alright, start searching for London. You can see these are the ISPs that are available. This is the ISP. Let's say I want to use okay, let's look for Vodafone or something else. Look at this is BT. Okay, let's go with BT. So you click on now, you want the location to be London, and you want to target you want to use British Telecommunications PLC as your internet service provider. So this is the IP I'm going to select. I'm not going to select it because I don't want to waste my IP. I just selected one now. So once you select an IP and it's connected, you will see when we started the video, you see that my IP balance was 6 IPs. Now I have 5 IPs, right? That's how it works, right? So when this IP goes offline, maybe after a while, maybe sometimes it can take a while, sometimes it can take like 2 hours, sometimes it can even go offline the moment you generate it. Sometimes it can take you up to like 12 hours plus, alright? So once the IP goes offline, you come back here and generate a new IP. Alright, that's how you do it. That's how you generate an IP. Let's say you want to target USA, alright? Let's go for USA. Country. USA. Okay, it's US here. US. Alright, these are US IP. Alright. Or let's say you want to target a particular city in USA or a particular state, you click on here, you will see it change to state. Alright, if you want to target a city, click on here, you see it change to city. If you want to target an internet service provider, you click on here and you change to the ISP. Alright, so if you want to target by zip code or by IP, you click on wherever you want to click on, alright, and generate your IP. So right now we are connected to UK using the Piaproxy ISP, and look at it, we are connected. 70% is guys. I have showed you guys I've showed how to increase your disguise rate, right, before in our previous videos. The last video I did on Piaproxy thereabout. So to make your connection 100% or increase your disguise rates from this 70% to 100%, what you will do is you change your date and time to the particular place you are generating IP for. If you are generating IP for US, you change your date and time to US time, alright? Your time zone should be US time, alright? If you are generating for UK, you change your time zone to the UK time zone. This increases your disguise rate, alright? And what else? I think that's that for that. So now you can go for any survey you want to. You can use it to attend to survey. So once you are done, you come back here and click on deactivate. It will be deactivated. Disconnect, sorry. Click on this checkbox. This is the checkbox you click on to connect. If the same checkbox you click on to disconnect. Alright? I think that is that for that. Alright? See you guys in the next video. I don't even know what I'm going to post next. All the survey sites I want to review, all of them are doing video. Okay, sorry I haven't gotten back to you guys about another survey site. I was making a video on one of the survey sites I've been using for a while now, and I was noticed that they've actually stopped registration. So I'm trying to like find another survey site to review and see how it goes. Hopefully I'll be updating the list of survey sites we can sign up on. Alright, see you guys in the next video.